Wir haben von Anfang an immer über den Prozess nachgedacht. Wie schaffe ich das? Das Leben zu erleichtern und trotzdem hochsicher, bequem und sicher.
This is the story of a company that has been awarded the honor of Germany's top innovator several times. It started as a vision, a decentralized, maintenance-free lock system. It became the most secure lock system in the world.
Wir wollten ein Schließsystem, das dem Menschen dient. Und wir haben es geschafft.
Lock Your World is the company that has managed to build the only lock system certified by the German BSI with physical security combined with one-time code procedures. And this with know-how and passion, with intelligent and secure solutions, with advantages that are unique in the world. The pylocx lock system is the only one worldwide that bypasses the weaknesses of other systems. Physically, it consists of two parts. The surface is a vandal-proof stainless steel faceplate. The key, a small mobile keypad, the Pi key. The lock system itself requires no power supply. The necessary power as well as the encrypted data are transmitted by the Pi key as soon as it's placed on the contact point. pylocx offers flexible, personalized and traceable target authorizations. The system is extremely robust and protected against any military hacker attacks.
Und so haben wir ein System entwickelt, das es möglich macht, dass man nach der Konfiguration, egal wo auf dieser Welt verbaut, nie mehr dorthin muss.
In fact, pylocx empowers every user to combine all the convenience of digital management with the highest level of physical security. pylocx is the most secure system for access and entry and is widely used around the world.
Wir sichern Zugänge für Standorte von der Insel bis auf die Zugspitze. Wir haben Rohrtresore, wir haben Zugangsschlösser für Türen, für Geldautomaten. Wir haben Behältnisse, mit denen man zum Beispiel digitale Stromzähler verpflichtend transportieren muss oder Edelmetalle. Es gibt Kunden, die innerbetrieblich werthaltige Güter transportieren. Ganz, ganz vielfältige Einsatzmöglichkeiten.
But producing the best lock system in the world was not enough for Lock Your World. The company produces locally and with high-quality standards for material and workmanship. In other words, genuine, made in Germany. And now Lock Your World has taken a decisive step towards the future.
Wir möchten, dass die Bankensicherheit, BSI-Sicherheit auch zu Hause angewendet werden kann. Das ist unsere Vision.
To enter the consumer market, you need a solution that you always have with you and that can be seamlessly integrated into the world of smartphones, with which you can bring high security into private households without any effort. The first versions of the pylocx Smart Adapter are now available for this purpose. The accessory can both charge the smartphone and receive power from it. These components are a perfect combination to open the lock system with the smartphone as the control panel. With this logical next step, Lock Your World is entering a market with 4.6 billion smartphone devices, or 5 million lock systems in the high-end private home sector in Germany alone. With these ingenious inventions, with a highly sophisticated BSI-certified system and worldwide patents for the best lock system in the world, Lock Your World is ready for the future. Ready for your world.
Mich begeistert auch die Verbindung zu unseren Kunden, die es teilweise von Anfang an miterlebt haben und uns alle treu waren, bis heute treu geblieben sind. Das freut mich sehr.
Lock Your World.